Hi everyone, let's get into this easy breakfast frittata. We're going to be starting off with some bell peppers. After I've cooked these, I set them aside just because I don't want them to overcook in the pot because I want the colors to stay vibrant. So I do cook them and set them aside after. So what we will be adding now is the raw potato that has been shredded. I just use the big shredding side, and you're going to be cooking this for about 10-12 minutes just to get it a little bit brown and to get it cooked. So while that's cooking, we are going to make our egg mixture that we're going to pour over everything. So our egg mixture is done. We're going to be checking on the potatoes, and they're nice and light brown, mostly cooked. Remember, they're going to be going in the oven. So take them off the heat and then just add some bacon. This bacon was cooked already and I've diced it. And we're going to be going in with some cheddar cheese as well. So this entire mixture, we're going to be pouring into a cast iron pan. You can use a baking dish, a small baking dish if you have that. I'm just going to use my cast iron pan that's just lightly greased with oil. So this is going to be kind of our base for the frittata. So spread it out, and then we are going to go in with the other ingredients. So last minute, guys, I decided I was just gonna add a little bit of spinach. So it is raw. You can use some cooked spinach if that's what you have. I honestly just added this raw spinach last minute. And then you're gonna go in with your egg mixture. If you want your frittata to be much taller and thicker, then you would basically be adding more eggs to this mixture, and then that'll make it taller. If you want to, you can even add some more cheese on top before we put it in the oven. So I like to put the pan on top of a baking sheet just because it's easier to take it out of the oven. So there we have it, straight out of the oven. Really easy, and you can share this with maybe 3 or 4 people depending on how much eggs you put in this. So remember, if you want it to be bigger or taller, just add a little more milk and eggs and bake it a little bit longer. But it's really delicious, really easy, and I really hope you like the recipe. Try it out and let me know how you like it. See you guys next time.